Welcome to TUNE-ity. Here everybody is free, free to be free. In TUNE-ity, there is unity. We live in community,
A kingdom of harmony.